I see the sunrise creeping in. Everything changes like the desert wind. Here she comes and then she's gone again. And I'm just a traveler on this earth. Sure as my heart's behind the pocket of my shirt. I just keep rolling till I'm in dirt, 'cause I'm a traveler. Oh, I'm a traveler. I couldn't tell you, honey, I don't know where I'm going, but I've got to go. 'Cause every turn reveals some of the road, and I'm a traveler. Oh, I'm a traveler. My heartbeat's rhythm is a lonesome sound, just like the rubber turning on the ground. Always lost and nowhere bound. I'm just a traveler on this earth. Sure as my heart's behind the pocket of my shirt. I just keep rolling till I'm in dirt, 'cause I'm a traveler. Oh, I'm a traveler. I couldn't tell you, honey, I don't know where I'm going, but I've got to go. 'Cause every turn reveals some of the road, and I'm a traveler. Oh, I'm a traveler. When I'm gone, somebody else will have to feel this wrong. Somebody else will have to sing this song. Somebody else will have to sing along. Sing along. I'm just a traveler on this earth. Sure as my heart's behind the pocket of my shirt. I just keep rolling till I'm in the dirt, 'cause I'm a traveler. Oh, I'm a traveler. I couldn't tell you, honey, I don't know where I'm going, but I've got to go. 'Cause every turn reveals some of the road, and I'm a traveler. Oh, I'm a traveler.
Yeah, I see you over there making eyes at me like you don't wanna get caught. Where'd you get the cowboy on your arm, and where you want me to drop him on? I see you trying to hide that fire inside, but your hold me back's almost gone. Yeah, it's about time I let cowboy know that I'm gonna take you home. Yeah, so keep on looking at me that way we can move this along. I can tell you what I got here on my mind, but I think you already know. Yeah, now's the time for you to turn around if you want me to walk away, or you can keep on looking at me that way. Yeah, I can tell by the way
was born by fire in a cold, dark cave in the age of the dinosaur. When a caveman caught his cave woman loving on the missing link living next door. There was crying and screaming and war drums beating in a wave of violence. None of them folks survived but me, and I've been hanging around ever since. I'm a heartache, never see me coming, I'll always take you by surprise. I'm a heartache, hungry and hunting for someone I can eat alive. By the time you know I'm on you, buddy, it's too late. I'm a heartache. I watched you taking off tonight, and I knew where you were headed to. I saw last week, young thing, you met at that dirty old motel room. Yeah, I'm gnawing on your pretty little wife, waiting up for you at home. And you don't even know it, but I'm just saving you for later, and I can get you all alone. Yeah, I'm a heartache, never see me coming, I'll always take you by surprise. I'm a heartache, hungry and hunting for someone I can eat alive. By the time you know I'm on you, buddy, it's too late. I'm a heartache. From Anthony and Cleopatra, Samson and Delilah, to Jackie and JFK, to Elvis and Priscilla, Charles and Diana. I say I've had some pretty good days. You may not believe it, but you and me soon, we're about to have some real fun. 'Cause I'm coming. Oh, I'm coming. I'm a heartache, never see me coming, I'll always take you by surprise. I'm a heartache, hungry and hunting, someone I can eat alive. By the time you know I'm on you, buddy, it's too late. I'm a heartache. I'm a heartache. I'm a heartache. Last night I broke the seal on a Jim Beam decanter that looks like Elvis. I soaked the label off a Flintstone jelly bean jar. I cleared us off a place on that one little table that you left us, and pulled me up a big old piece of floor. I pulled the head off Elvis, filled Fred up to his pelvis. Yabba dabba doo, the king is gone, and so are you. Round about 10 we all got to talking about Graceland, bedrock and such. The conversation finally turned to women, but they said they didn't get around too much. Elvis said find them young, and Fred said old-fashioned girls are fun. Yabba dabba doo, the king is gone, and so are you. Later on it finally hit me that you wouldn't be a-coming home no more. This time I know you won't forgive me, like all of them other times before. Then I broke Elvis's nose, pouring the last drop from his toes. Yabba dabba doo, the king is gone, and so are you. Yabba dabba doo, the king is gone, and so are you. Last night I broke the seal on a Jim Beam decanter that looks like Elvis. I sold the label off a Flintstone jelly bean jar.
Woke up today and decided to kill my ego. It never done me no good, no how. Gonna break through and blast off to the bar door, hitting them flowers of light, far away from here and now. Taking a 49 divine day vacation from reality and all else in between. Gonna transmigrate to my destination, far beyond time in an eternal dream. Am I dreaming? Am I dying? Either way, I don't mind at all. Oh, it feels so good, just can't help but cry. Oh, you have to let go, so may fall. see.
Loud thunder, heavy rain, thin line between joy and pain. It's a long, strange trip, it's all insane. You ain't never gonna be the same. Living life through the night, thin line of a lightning strike. Sometimes the only light when the moon is tucked away. Pistons pumping, minds are racing. It's hard to sleep, man, when I'm shaking. Bad news surrounds me. It's always found me creeping up when things are good. Yeah, the dark days find a way. Loud thunder, heavy rain, thin line between joy and pain. It's a long, strange trip, it's all insane. You ain't never gonna be the same. Living life through the night, thin line of a lightning strike. It's sometimes the only light when the moon is tucked away. The camera captures all the things that make us turn from what we see. It's always rolling, it don't stop rolling. I haven't slept in 3 damn days. Yeah, but who needs that anyway? Loud thunder, heavy rain, thin line between joy and pain. It's a long, strange trip, it's all insane. You ain't never gonna be the same. Living life through the night, thin line of a lightning strike. It's sometimes the only light when the moon is tucked away.
I got rice cooking in the microwave. Got a 3-day beard I don't plan to shave. And it's a goofy thing, but I just gotta say, hey, I'm a-doing alright. Yeah, I think I'll make me some homemade soup. I'm feeling pretty good, and that's the truth. It's neither drink nor drug induced. No, I'm just doing alright. And it's a great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's some hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good? baton and said good luck to every seed I'd sown. Gave it my best and then I left it alone. I hope they're doing alright. Now I look in the mirror and what do I see? A lone wolf there staring back at me. Long in the tooth but harmless as can be. Lord, I guess he's doing alright. And it's a great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's some hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good? Sometimes it's lonely, sometimes it's only me and the shadows that fill this room. Sometimes I'm falling, desperately calling, howling at the moon. Tattoo, or take my old Harley for a 3-day cruise. Might even grow me a Fu Manchu. And it's a great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's some hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good? It's a great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's some hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good?
I damn sure wanna be. Working like a dog all day ain't working for me. I wish I had a rich uncle that'd kick the bucket and I was sitting on a pile like Warren Buffett. I know everybody says money can't buy happiness, but it can buy me a boat. It can buy me a truck to pull it. It can buy me a Yeti 110 ice down with some silver bullets. Yeah, and I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Well, maybe so, but it can buy me a boat. They call me redneck, white trash, and blue collar, but I could change all that if I had a couple $1 million. I keep hearing that money is the root of all evil, and you can't fit a camel through the eye of a needle. I'm sure that's probably true, but it still sounds pretty cool, 'cause it could buy me a boat. It could buy me a truck to pull it. It can buy me a Yeti 110 ice down with some silver bullets. Yeah, and I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Well, maybe so, but it can buy me a boat to float down on the water with a beer. I hear the Powerball lotto is sitting on 100 mil. Well, that It could buy me a truck to pull it. It could buy me a Yeti 110 ass down with some silver bullets. Yeah, and I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Well, maybe so, but it can buy me a boat. Yeah, and I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Well, maybe so, but it can buy me a boat. Yeah, it can buy me a boat.
My grandmama worked on a factory floor, sewing leather for minimum wage, while my granddaddy worked all the beer joints in town, trying to forget the memories he made. Because when Daddy was born in 1945, we'd been fighting for what we believed, along with 5 other brothers who stood by his side. They were ready, they were willing to bleed. Red, white, and blue, those colors mean something, those colors stay true. Like my family before me, I feel it too. The blood that's in my veins runs red, white, and blue. My daddy grew up on the wrong side of poor, rubbing nickels together for heat. Well, he and his sister, they barely got by with the clothes and the shoes on their feet. So he joined the service when he was 18, like his daddy and his uncles before. He was ready to die for what he believed, to fight for what's worth fighting for. Red, white, and blue, those colors mean something, those colors stay true. Like my family before me, I feel it too. The blood that's in my veins runs red, white, and blue. Sisters got kids of our own, and my brother's coming up on 16. And my daddy taught us all how to live our off the land, and how to stand up for what we believe. Red, white, and blue, those colors mean something, those colors stay true. Like my family before me, I feel it too. The blood that's in my veins runs red, white, and blue. Like my family before me, I feel it too. The blood that's in my veins runs red, white, and blue. Blood that's in my veins runs red, white, and blue.
Been a friend of mine, and that's the way we'll be till the day I die. Yeah, it's good to know you're on my side, 'cause now you know she's leaving me, and I need your help to make her see. So turn on your charm and let it shine, 'cause you've always been the one who could make her stay around. So when she gets to the city limit sign, don't let me down. Oh, Laredo, don't let her go. Just take her by the heart and let the wheels turn slow. Oh, Laredo, you're my only hope. So get her back to the day we met, 'cause that's as far as she needs to get. Oh, but please don't let her go. Oh, Laredo. Make her think about the moonlit walks and the long, long talks by the water's edge, with our feet hanging off a Cane Creek bridge. Bring to mind the first kiss we shared at the old town square when she drives down there, 'cause that's a day she said she could never forget. And keep the nights by the candlelight as an ace in the hole, 'cause those are nights of passion that I know will bring her home. Oh, Laredo, don't let her go. Take her by the heart and let the wheels turn slow. Oh, Laredo, you're my only hope. So get her back to the day we met, 'cause that's as far as she needs to get. Oh, but please don't let her go. Oh, Laredo.
take off time to time with those crazy friends of mine. Head out on steel horses with wheels and we ride. We burn up that road to old Mexico, blend in with the desert, just we amigos and we roll. And cowboys like us sure do have fun, racing the wind, chasing the sun. Take a long way around, back to square one. Today we're just outlaws out on the run. There'll be no regrets, no worries and such for cowboys like us. We talk about living, babies and women, all that we've lost and all we've been given. We sing about true love, lie about things we ain't done. Drink one more cold one, come morning, get up and we roll. Cowboys like us sure do have fun, racing the wind, chasing the sun. Take a long way around, back to square one. Today we're just outlaws out on the run. There'll be no regrets, no worries and such for cowboys like us. Cowboys like us sure do have fun, racing the wind, chasing the sun. Take the long way around, back to square one. Today we're just outlaws out on the run. There'll be no regrets, no worries and such for cowboys like us. Cowboys like us.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. If I can make a living from walking in the woods, you can bet I'd be sitting pretty good high on a hill, looking at a field downwind.